Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 20th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Kulicke Soffa, a leader in semiconductor assembly technology. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Kulicke Soffa has just released their fourth quarter 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic insights.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kulicke Soffa reported a net revenue of $177.6 million for the fourth quarter. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Well, the revenue is slightly down from $181.3 million in the same quarter last year, but it's a significant improvement from the previous quarter's $148.4 million. The gross margin also improved to 45.7%, indicating better cost management and operational efficiency.
And what about their earnings per share?
The company reported a GAAP EPS of $0.12 and a non-GAAP EPS of 28 cents, which is a strong performance compared to the forecasted EPS of 0.7 pence. This indicates that Kulicke Soffa has managed to exceed expectations significantly.
Strategic initiatives and market dynamics. John, what strategic initiatives has Kulicke Soffa been focusing on, and how are they positioning themselves in the market?
According to Lester Wong, the interim CEO and CFO, the company is concentrating on multiple technology engagements and is optimistic about improving end market dynamics. They're preparing for increased customer demand, which is a positive sign for future growth.
And I see they repurchased 0.5 million shares. What does this indicate?
Share repurchases often signal management's confidence in the company's future prospects. It can also enhance shareholder value by reducing the number of outstanding shares, potentially increasing EPS.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Kulicke Soffa provided for the first quarter of fiscal 2026?
The company expects net revenue to be around $190 million, with a margin of $10 million either way. They also project a GAAP EPS of 0.88 cents and a non-GAAP EPS of 0.33 cents, both with a 10% variance. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued demand and operational improvements.
That's quite an optimistic outlook. What are the key factors driving this confidence?
It's largely due to anticipated increases in customer demand and the company's strategic focus on technology advancements, which are expected to drive growth in the coming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Kulicke Soffa has delivered a strong fourth quarter with impressive earnings and a positive outlook for the next quarter. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Overall, Kulicke Soffa is showing resilience and strategic foresight in a competitive market. Their focus on technology and operational efficiency positions them well for future growth, making them an attractive option for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kulicke Soffa's performance in the comments below.